it's often said that people won't save nature if they have no relationship with it, if it means nothing to them. We have to get back to that deep empathic connection with nature again. And animism is the answer. It just really is. And in animism, indigenous people sometimes say animist knowledge contains what are called the original instructions, or the original songs, sometimes they're called, or the original dances. It's the original patterns, if you like, about how we should live in right relationship with each other as humans and with the world around us. And for tens or hundreds of thousands of years, that's how we lived in a way that had much better mental health, that was ecologically sustainable, and so on and so on. So rather than continuing, ploughing on, making the same errors over and over again, why don't we look back to the times we were living where it did work? What can we take from those times? What can we take from indigenous knowledge, in a respectful way, obviously, and how do we apply that to the times we live in now?